Make a great choice today with the 2011 X5 M. Now the discerning customer has the opportunity to enjoy the unique high-performance character of a BMW M car, also in the segment of BMW X models. The BMW X5 M and the BMW X6 M are the first all-wheel drive models to offer the supreme performance, dynamic driving features, athletic design, and premium quality of a typical BMW M car, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: headlight cleaners, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, air suspension, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.